Hi, good afternoon. This is Ira Sahai from Mumbai. I'm a member of dLife. I'm a metabolic health coach and also the media head of dLife. dLife is India's biggest, oldest, and the only award-winning platform, low-carb platform, from where comes the dLife Diploma course in low-carb nutrition and metabolic health. I have with me today Siddesh Gowdara, who's a dLife member and a dLife certified metabolic health coach. He's a software engineer from Bengaluru with nearly 20 years of experience in IT industry. While Sudesh has an active lifestyle with sports and running at the core of it, he soon realized that to stay healthy, exercise wasn't enough. It was then that he decided to join dLife and study the dLife Diploma course in low carb nutrition and metabolic health. So let's speak to Sudesh. Hi, welcome Sudesh. How are you today?
Hi, Ira. Good afternoon. I'm doing very well. Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm good. So, how does it feel to be called a legally certified metabolic health coach?
One word, fantastic.
Beautiful. So, Sudesh, you are a professional who's worked in the IT industry, and you already had an active lifestyle, as you said. Why did you feel the need to study nutrition?
Right. So, yeah, the typical software engineer's life, how it goes, you know very well, right? So, a lot of stress during work and, working extended hours. So, that all, accumulated and I became obese over the years, say in my first or 10, 15 years of my career. So my weight also increased so badly that I was nearly obese. And then, so even though I was active, so the typical thinking is like, being active, do running, jo bhi khana hai wo khao, you will be healthy. But things are in slippery slope even though you do physical activities, and that is not good enough, right? That is when I plunged into studying more about nutrition and getting into healthy eating lifestyle. So eating is matters the most. That is when I realized that to reduce the weight, maintain the weight, and maintain the metabolic health, we need to focus more on nutrition rather than just physical activities. So nobody can do only physical activities forever to stay in your weight range or your health, right? That is not going to happen. So that is where nutrition, I realized that nutrition is very important in one's life.
Very well said. I think this entire concept of eat less, move more, and calories in, calorie out is the first thing that's busted when you enter the life, and a whole new learning and a whole new wisdom of how to eat to satiety without really counting calories and managing your macros well is at the core of it, and that's where we actually specialize in because when you talk about metabolic health, it is only us, it is only dLife that certifies coaches legally in India. So if you are a certified metabolic health coach, you have to be from dLife. So Siddesh, tell me, while you were looking to study low carb nutrition or nutrition, how did you make the choice to join dLife?
Okay, so yeah, this goes back to nearly 4 years, I would say, when I started my own transformation journey, right? So I started to look around in the web and and across social media, YouTube, right? So I used to come across videos of mainly some doctors like Dr. Jason Fung, Dr. Eric Berg, and all that. So, but then those were like more of a more detailed ones, and you can't implement it immediately when you go through those things, right? So that is when I also started looking at things in Twitter as well. And then I came across a lot of accounts of dLife members, especially I would say Shashikant Iyengar sir and Anup sir. So after I started following them and then other dLife members, those tweets really inspired me to that really simplified everything for me. For example, healthy living lifestyle, what to eat, and those posts, especially from Arun Kumarji also, right? So you can 2 lines he'll put and you will immediately implement it. It's so straightforward, so simple. So that I followed for a couple of years, and then towards the end of 2022, I decided that okay, I need to you know, get into this course officially and learn and get more deeper into nutrition. And also, what other things inspired me is to get into nutrition is when I fix myself. Our typical tendency is to like, okay, share that knowledge with others so that they also get benefited, right? But whenever we talk about healthy lifestyle, eating low carb nutrition, there is a lot of resistance, including your among your friends or family groups, right? It is so difficult to convince them because modern narrative is so deep in our minds that people still believe saturated fats are bad, eggs cause heart disease, and all those things. Those things are not going to go away soon, right? That is when I decided, okay, I need to take a plunge and bust all those things with official course, a tag or a certification myself, so that okay, nobody can call me that I'm just a random person, churning out suggestions. No. The other important thing is I had to visit hospitals for my mother's health conditions, and I used to get a close view of what is happening in the diabetic section, right? Especially foot care. Okay, I used to see that people in 50s and 60s losing their legs, amputated. I used to get so scared that okay, people around us are suffering so badly with these chronic metabolic conditions that these need to be avoided. And not only I need to get help from my own study, that okay, people around us also should get educated and also ensure that we should not get into such situations. So these are the two things which mainly inspired me to take up this course officially and get into this thing. And as I mentioned, it has been more than 4 years I've been following dLife members in Twitter. I did not have to go for search for any other course or anywhere. It was always dLife for me.
So, having completed the course now, Siddesh, how would you evaluate the course? What are the things that have impressed you the most about the course?
The first and very important aspect is how it is structured. So it starts from how the evolution has happened. After that, okay, what are the how the human eating history, and what is the proper nutrition, and what are the proper healthy, not just macros and micronutrients, how they are impacting our metabolic health. So everything is covered in the course, and that impressed me the most. And also the extra course material and the video links that are part of each and every chapter, so those will help us dive deeper into those topics and grasp that every subject very easily. So not just medical fraternity, every common person can understand this course very easily, and then understand those stuff.
Mhm. So, now that you've completed the course, I mean, how did you find the support that DLife gave you in terms of the forum or the recipes or discussions, mentoring, the library, podcasts, everything? How did you find the associated material with the course, which comes free with the course?
Yeah, just amazing, I would say, because forum itself is like a big huge library of lot of those case studies. People have posted their own transformations, and also all the lot of coaches put their clients case studies, and so we get to learn everything. If we just browse the forum, it is like a bible, so you get all the answers. You don't need to put those questions. First thing we need to do is just go and search the forum. You will have an answer there. And apart from forum, yeah, especially the podcasts that are being scheduled every week, and also the metabolic health conference, those were organized. Two MHCs were done. Those were amazing, bringing world class people onto the platform and speak about all the metabolic health related stuff. That is just amazing.
Mhm. Siddesh, have you started your practice as a certified metabolic health coach already?
Officially not yet, but those people among my friends and family who are open minded, they have taken up my suggestion and have seen great improvements.
Mm.
So I have seen people reversing their HbA1cs, high HbA1cs to low, reversing their hypertensions, losing weight, mainly uh, acid reflux, gastritis, all those things go away. People are very, very happy with just those simple modifications in their nutrition. So yeah, imagine if we plunge it into it officially and then take the how it's going to benefit. It's going to be huge, I would say.
Siddesh, if somebody wants to reach out to you, please tell our viewers where you're located and how they can reach you.
Yeah, I'm in Bengaluru, Yelahanka. So yeah, I'm reachable on Twitter, WhatsApp.
Can you spell out your handle?
Yeah, my handle is Sixer Sidhu, Sixer Siddu. That's my Twitter handle.
So is there any other way people can reach out to you if they want to consult you?
Yeah, I think that is the one.
Okay. Siddesh, what would you like to tell those people who are currently thinking of enrolling or want to enroll in future?
Yeah, one word, just please go for it, because this is an amazing platform with such a nice course content, nice forum support, nice mentoring, hand holding by the senior members, including WhatsApp groups, everything. So this is just an amazing platform to just heal people, everybody.
Thank you so much, Siddesh, for that brilliant review. But for those who want to know a little bit more about the course, of course, we are giving you
Yeah,
as
do
much
not
information. Yeah.
just a point missed, sorry. So do not worry about the course fee. This is nothing, because every penny you spend here will be worthwhile forever in our lives. Yeah.
So for those who want to know a little bit more about the course, we are trying to bring you as much information possible from those who have done the course already and are practicing as a legally certified metabolic health coach in India. We are the only ones who can legally certify metabolic health coaches. And for those who want to know a bit more, our course is CPDSO UK accredited with biggest 60 hours credit given to our course. We are also the SMHP approved CMHE provider. We are the only ones from India. The course gives you free access to dLife platform, which is a gold mine of Indian low carb resources, like 3,000 plus combined success stories, 2,000 plus original low carb recipes, 50% of which are vegetarians, 150 plus podcasts, including the metabolic health conference that we held in October 2023 and in April 2024. Then we have the largest content on low carb nutrition course in the world with 800 references, 200,000 words, 60 relevant videos, lifetime access to the course. There is no recertification clause. And we have one of the biggest libraries of low carb resource materials. We have a robust forum of discussion and long threads on cases. So if you're taking in a client, if you need help, our mentors are all there present every day to handhold you throughout the case and make it work and successful for you. So this is Ira Sahai signing off, and I'll see you again in another video of the course feedback. Siddesh, thank you so much for joining today, and I wish you all the very best in your practice ahead.
Thank you, Ira. It's a pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you.